Okay, in this lesson we're going to go over challenge number 48 here in CodeMonkey. As you can see, it says a square snail. Each side is 4 more steps. Okay, so let's take a look at this. As you can see, we have a we're going to be doing a repeat or a loop of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the first thing I want to change here. You're going to notice that we only have it as 3 times. So this monkey's only going to go 1, 2, 3, and stop here. So we're going to first change this loop to 5. Now you're also going to notice that we have a variable which is named D, and it is currently equal to 8. Okay, so let's just see what this does at the current point in time, and then we'll continue to problem solve from there. So right now, when we hit our run, notice the monkey goes forward 8, 8, and 8, and it keeps turning left. So obviously it's not finishing up what we need here. But let's look at this. We're going to have to add a little bit of math here. So you notice the first step, the monkey's going 8 steps. Then the next one, it's going 12 steps. The next one's 16, then 20, then 24. You'll notice this pattern. So it is increasing by 4 steps after it makes each left turn. So it goes from 8 to 12. That is 4 steps increase. From 12 to 16 is a 4-step increase. 16 to 20 is a 4-step increase. And then 20 to 24 is a 4-step increase. So what we're going to need to do, we're going to need to increase this variable by 4 each time it goes through the loop. So what we're going to do, we're going to say D equals D plus 4. So what this will help us do, we are going to increase the number of steps by 4 each time it goes through the loop. So let's run it now. So the first time he goes 8 steps, turns left. Now he's going 12 steps, turns left. And then 16 is left. And then 20. And then our 24. So by adding 4 to our variable allows the monkey to complete all the steps properly. Alrighty, so that's challenge 48. Let's check out challenge 49. As it says P for perfect, the distance decreases. So it sounds like it's going to be very similar, but this time it's going to decrease. So you can see that we already have a variable. It's called D, and it's equal to 20. Now let's see how many times we're going to be repeating this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put a loop in here, or a times. And obviously we're going to do it 4 times as we just said. Sorry about that. There we go. So we're going to be doing it 4 times. And what we're going to do first, we're going to have the monkey step D. Okay, so let's do that. So it's going to say step D. Now let's see what this does. And I know it's just going to keep going straight because it's going to go D for 20 steps and then continue to go up. But let's then put our right turn in there. Alright, so we're going to say turn right. Alright, so let's see what he's going to do here. So the first time he's going to go 20 steps, he's going to turn right. He's going to go 20 steps again, turn right. 20 steps again, turn right. And then finish it up. So we obviously know that's good, but now let's take 3 steps off of that variable of D. So very similar to the last time. So but this time we're going to subtract. So we're going to say D equals D minus 3. So you're going to notice 20 minus 17 is 3. 17 minus 14 is 3. 14 minus 11 is 3. So that's why we are subtracting 3 from the variable D. So let's run this now. There's 20 steps, turns right. This time it's going to go 17 steps, turn right. And then 14. And then our 11. Again, subtracting 3 steps from each one of the loops. Again, 3 stars. That's what we're looking for. All right, our next one, we are on challenge 50. So it says the monkey steps the same distance each time. The turtle needs to step further each time. Again, so very similar, but this time we're adding steps to the turtle, not the monkey. So again, we have our variable, which is equal to D is equal to 6. We're going through a loop of 3 times, so we have that correct. We have 1, 2, and then 3. So that's correct. So what do we want to do here? So let's first get this turtle to step. Okay, so we're going to first get this turtle to step. It looks like it's 6 steps. So we're going to say turtle dot step, and we're just going to say D. Okay, and then we're going to see the monkey take 14 steps. So let's just take this first step here. So there we go. The turtle goes 6 steps. The monkey goes up 14. Okay. All right. So at least we got the first part set and ready. Okay. How can we get the monkey back down? So we know we bring the monkey up by stepping 14. So we're going to bring him back down by going, as we know, step minus 14. So now the monkey is going to go up 14, and then he's going to come back down 14. Okay. Now all we have to do is correct the turtle's steps here. So it looks like we're going to have to add 2 to this variable D, because notice the turtle is going 6 steps, then 8 steps, and then 10 steps. So we're going to have to add 2 steps to that variable D. So I'm going to say D equals D plus 2. So again, and notice we are using that variable up here with the turtle's steps, not the monkey's steps in this case. So let's give this a try. So turtle walks 6 steps, monkey goes up 14, comes back down 14. The turtle is now going to go 8 steps because we added 2 to that variable of D, which is up here on line 3. And then the last one, same thing. And there you go. So these last 3, we're just adding some value to our variable. Hopefully this helps out, and good luck with the rest of these. Take care.